How to fix Zoom error code 10002 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Your Zoom app needs a stable internet connection to connect to the update server. If your connection is unstable, it can disrupt the update process, causing the error code 10002. Running a network troubleshooter might help. If that didn't work, fix 2. Update Zoom version manually. Sometimes, the Zoom app might fail to update itself automatically due to various reasons. Manually updating the app can help bypass these issues. Fix 3. Allow Zoom through firewall. Sometimes, your computer's firewall settings might block Zoom's access to its update server, causing the error code 10002. Adjusting your firewall settings to allow Zoom can potentially resolve this issue. At times, error code 10002 can be due to issues within the Zoom application itself, such as corrupted or outdated files. Reinstalling Zoom ensures that you are using the most recent version and can resolve the error by replacing any corrupted files in the process.